Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In our last video, we introduced Python and wrote our first program. Today, we are diving deeper into Python basics, variables, data types, and operators. These are the building blocks of any Python program. So, let's get started. Let's start with variables. What is variable? A variable is like a container that stores data. Think of it as a labeled box where you can keep something for later use. In Python, you can create a variable by giving it a name and assigning a value to it. For example, x assigns 10, name assigns Alice. Here, x stores the number 10 and name stores the text Alice. Simple, right? Now, there are a few rules for naming variables in Python. Number 1, variable names can only contain letters, numbers, and underscores. Number 2, they cannot start with a number. Number 3, they are case sensitive. So, age in capital letter, small letter, and capital letter A, small letter G, age are different variables. Number 4, avoid using Python keywords like print, if, or for as variable names. For example, these are valid variables names. My underscore variable assign 5, user underscore name assign John. But these are invalid. Starting number 1 variable assign 10, this is wrong since it starts with a number. If assign 20, this is wrong because if is a keyword. Next, let's talk about data types. Data types define the kind of data a variable can hold. Here are the most common ones in Python. Integers, whole numbers like 10, minus 1, 5 or 100. Age assigned 16. This is integers. Floats, decimal numbers like 3.14 or minus 0.5. Pi assigned 3.154. Strings, text enclosed in quotes like hello or Python, double line inverted comma or single inverted comma. Booleans represent true or false. Is underscore student assigned true. You can check the data type of a variable using the type function. For example, print type age. Output will be class int. Means age is a int type variable. In the same way, print type name. Here name is a string, means str. This is a string type variable. Now let's talk about operators. Operators are symbols that perform operations in variables and values. Here are the main types of operators in Python. Arithmetic operators used for mathematical operation. Arithmetic operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, etc. A assigned 10, B assigned 3, print A plus B will be the result 13. This is addition. In the same way, comparison operators used to compare values. Print A greater than B. This is true since A means 10 here and B means 3. 10 greater than 3. This is true. Print A equal B. This is false because 10 equals 3. It is not correct. Logical operator used to combine conditional statements. Print A greater than 5 and B less than 5. And this is true. Print A greater than 5 or B greater than 5. This is OR operation. This is true. Print not A greater than 5. This is not operation. This is false. These operators are essential for writing logical and efficient code. Let's put everything we have learned into practice. Here is a simple program that uses variables, data types, and operators. Program to calculate the area of a rectangle. Here length of the rectangle is 10.5 and width is 5.2. Area is length into width. What will be the output of the rectangle for area? Print the area of the rectangle is area. When you run this program, it will calculate and display the area of the rectangle. Try modify the values of length and width to see how the output changes. In the next video, we'll explore conditional statements like if, else, and elif. These will help you write programs that make decisions based on certain conditions. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Happy coding. Thank you.